We love sharing good news, so when someone says something great about us and experiences our 5-star service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. It's obvious that great experiences like this make us smile, but it also serves to remind us how important it is to provide everyone with the best service possible. We believe that our future success comes from our success today. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.